Welcome to Japan Talker. The topic we'll be talking about today is bonsai. Introduced to Japan during the 12th century from China. The word bonsai, when translated, literally means pot plants. Although originating from China, Japan's bonsai culture is distinctly different to that of China. In terms of styling and the intensive miniaturization of its natural counterparts, Japan's bonsai excels in every way. Japan's bonsai symbolizes harmony, balance, patience, and luck. The art of bonsai requires pruning and training of the plant, in order to continue growth, that will resemble a normal-sized tree in its natural form. Many different types of trees can be trained into bonsai. From Japanese maples to apple trees. The restrictions are only confined to the hobbyist's imagination. Although there's a vast range in difficulties, it is to be explored by each bonsai enthusiast. Bonsai is a hobby that takes years to perfect, and can last any interested person decades, if not an entire lifetime. Some bonsai plants can last hundreds of years, well beyond the people that care for them. These plants that last for several generations can be worth over $1 million. Other bonsai trees take miniaturization to a whole new level. So if this is of interest, you should get started early. There are countless clubs and groups on and offline that share their pieces of art and their skills. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be notified of a new video about Japanese culture. Japan Talker. Always talking about Japan.